Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change music length on Facebook Story. Let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram application. From here, tap on your story on the top left corner and now select a picture you want for your story. So once you select the picture, tap on the music icon from the top and search for the music you want to add. And as you can see, my music has been added right here. You will get to see a time frame on the bottom. So tap on it and then scroll through and select whichever time amount you want. For now, I will go with 10 seconds and then tap on Done. Now the music will play exactly for 10 seconds. After that, tap on Done on the top right corner. Now just drag and adjust the album icon however you want. And once you're done editing, tap on the three dots on the top right corner here. Select Save. Now the video is getting saved to your phone, so wait for it to load up. So once it's done, just close your Instagram app and open up your Facebook app and then tap on Create a Story. From here, select the video that you saved from your Instagram and now you can tap on Share and the timing will be exactly as you set it on Instagram. So that is how you can change the music length on a Facebook story. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.